Today I'm going to show you how to make your own homemade hand sanitizer. The first ingredient that you're going to need is 91% isopropyl alcohol, essential oil. A good oil to use would be lavender or tea tree oil, but you can use whatever essential oil that you'd like. You'll need a spoon for stirring, aloe vera, a measuring cup, and a dispenser. Right here is a little dispenser that I got from my local drugstore. Now, to make this formulation, you're going to want to use 1/3 cup of aloe vera and 2/3 cups of isopropyl alcohol. In other words, you want to use 2 parts isopropyl alcohol and 1 part aloe vera. So I'm going to go ahead and put in 1/3 cup of aloe vera. I'm just going to pour it in slowly, making sure not to get too much aloe vera in there. It may take a little effort. All right, so I have 1/3 cup of aloe vera in there. Just check it to make sure. And then next, I'm going to put 2/3 cups of isopropyl alcohol. So in order to get there, if I have 1/3 cup of aloe vera, I'm going to put it all the way up until I get to 1 cup of alcohol. I'm going to take off the top. And pour in the alcohol until I get to 1 cup. One cup. Next, I'm going to put in 8 to 10 drops of essential oil. You can put in more or less depending on how strong or weak you want the scent to be. After I put in the essential oil, I'm going to take a spoon and stir the solution up. You may have to stir it for quite a while. This solution right here will give a sort of runny hand sanitizer solution. If you'd like thicker hand sanitizer solution, try using 99% isopropyl alcohol and then looking up the formulation to achieve 60% hand sanitizer, 60% alcohol level in the hand sanitizer. All right, so I've mixed the solution. Then I'm going to take the container, twist off the top, and pour the solution inside of the container. I'm going to zoom in so you can see this part. Pour it in slowly so you don't spill it everywhere. Pour it in, and then put the top on. That's how you make hand sanitizer at home. Be careful when making this because there are some risk at making hand sanitizer, such as alcohol is flammable. Read the warnings on the bottle before you use this. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks a lot for watching.